Now this is cylinder number 5. So this customer came in because their 2007 Infiniti was shaking and misfiring at a stop, and while driving we scanned the codes. The code had a PO300, which is a multi-cylinder misfire. On our Autel scan tool, we were able to go to special functions. We could find past misfire counts, and that was able to show us that cylinder number 5 recorded 1,406 misfires in the past. Real-time cylinder 5 misfire wasn't actually happening on our Autel while we were recording, but we were then able to go to active test and perform a cylinder power balance check. The power balance check can deactivate individual cylinders. So when we start it up, it's misfiring a little bit.
Waiting for connection.
We can monitor a bunch of different things during this, bunch of different inputs, signals that the car has. Not anything, not super important. I'll just pick 3 random ones. But what I'm watching for is to watch the engine RPM and to feel if the car dies at all, or gets worse, or gets better, or stays the same. So we're going to deactivate cylinder number 1. We can feel the car definitely made a difference there. We already know cylinder number 5 is our culprit, so we're going to dies. Come back. Cylinder number 3, same thing, and we can watch the engine RPM drop as this happens. Cylinder number 4. Now this is cylinder number 5. I just deactivated cylinder number 5, and there's no change to it. The engine RPM's staying the same. Let's go ahead and deactivate cylinder number 6. Feel a change there too. So cylinder number 5 is where we would start here.